What is temperature-dependent sex determination for leopard geckos? Imagine a tiny egg that holds the secret to whether a future leopard gecko will be a boy or a girl. This secret isn't written in their genes alone but is influenced by the environment around them. That's what temperature-dependent sex determination means for these reptiles. Leopard geckos, like some other reptiles, use this process to decide their sex based on the temperature during incubation. The temperature at which the eggs are kept directly affects whether the hatchlings will be male or female. For example, if you incubate eggs at around 26 degrees Celsius, almost all hatchlings will be female. At a moderate temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius, most will still be female, but you might get a few males. When the temperature is increased to about 32.5 degrees Celsius, most hatchlings tend to be males. Interestingly, if you raise the temperature even higher, to around 34 degrees Celsius, the majority of hatchlings will be female again. This creates a pattern where both very low and very high temperatures tend to produce females, while a narrow middle range favors males. It's a fascinating way nature controls the sex ratio in wild populations, and it's something breeders need to understand. When breeding leopard geckos, if you want more males, keep the eggs at around 32.5 degrees Celsius. For more females, incubate at cooler temperatures like 26 degrees Celsius or warmer temperatures close to 34 degrees Celsius. But be careful, temperatures above 35 degrees Celsius can be deadly for the eggs, so always monitor closely. Temperature not only influences sex but can also affect the behavior and physical traits of adult geckos. Geckos from warmer incubation temperatures tend to be more aggressive, while those from cooler ones might be more receptive to mates. Sometimes hormones can override temperature effects, but in natural settings, temperature is the main factor. Understanding this process helps breeders manage their projects better. If you need a specific sex ratio, adjusting incubation temperatures is a practical tool. It's also a great example of how environmental factors shape biology beyond just genetics. And like mammals and birds, which relying mostly on chromosomes to determine sex, many reptiles like leopard geckos use temperature cues. This ability might help them adapt to changing environments, although scientists are still studying the full reasons behind it. So, in simple terms, temperature-dependent sex determination in leopard geckos means the temperature during incubation decides whether the hatchling will be male or female. It's a natural process that breeders can use to influence the sex ratio of their geckos, making it a useful part of reptile care and breeding.